nadagdagan yung clients ko, not just the US na, 3 months siguro na natapos ko, ayun, nagland na ako sa Australian client ko. Hindi ko binitawan ang rule. Gusto ko pa mag-enroll. Gusto ko pa mag-renew. Ayan.
What changes have you seen in your business or career since completing the mastermind program po, Ms. Badet?
Nadagdagan yung clients ko, not just the US na, may Australian na ako, ayun yan, 3 time zone na yung nahawakan ko. So, I work graveyard and I work daytime. And while doing that, meron akong kinikater na local clients for at least 15 clients na local. So, from 6, naging 15 na after the masterclass. Pinag-aralan ko na rin yung PH taxation under Sir Nelson sa RUOL. 3 months siguro na natapos ko. Ayun, nagland na ako sa Australian client ko with a construction business. So, yun, hanggang ngayon, binabalik-balikan ko pa rin. Hindi ko binitawan ang RUOL. As much as possible, gusto ko pa mag-enroll. Gusto ko pa mag-renew. Ayan. At gusto ko pang malaman yung iba.
So,
yes.
Looking back po, Ms. Badet, is there anything you wish you had known before starting the mastermind or any additional tips you would offer to new participants po?
Yung sinasabi ko na kapag sinimulan, wag lang sa umpisa. Normal lang, nasa umpisa talagang excited tayo malaman yung ganito. But then sana hanggang sa huli, andun yung urge natin na yung excitement na sa pag-aaral and excitement na alamin kung hanggang saan. Ang may iwan ko na tips is mas maging strong sa mga challenges. At merong rejection na ganyan, pumulot ka ng kahit isang learning. Hindi naman lahat ng interview or discovery call makukuha ka . Mas maraming rejection dyan. For your information, from first na interview ko or discovery call ko, nasa 67 na interview and discovery call. Kapag hindi ko siya naintindihan or something na very different yung task or some transactions, andyan lang yung mga mentors, one chat away or call or something, Zoom agad, ganyan. And then share your screen, i-walk through ka, ganun. Na kahit ang busy-busy ng mga mentors ng ibang community and may co-working na tinatawag, mga ganyan. So, ang laking help na meron tayong community na ganito na hindi ka binibitawan.
What advice would you give to someone considering enrolling in the RUOL Mastermind program?
Yung challenges, huwag tayo yung nag-enroll ka, then pag nakaramdam ka ng stress, overwhelming or challenging, give up agad. Hindi mo alam na dun sa challenges na yun, andun ang gem. One of the tip na maiiwan po sa mga viewers is not to give up. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Kahit anong hirap. Kasi ginusto mo yan, pinasok mo yan, nasimulan mo yan, tapusin.